I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Not ready to explain, but I tell you, trust me, it is just brilliant. Anyway, today we want to simply say to you, I make you a nice, lovely, simple sponge ginger loaf. I said ginger loaf cake at home. Yeah? But the basic thing, I didn't use a fresh ginger because I didn't have any fresh ginger. If you have fresh ginger, you can use it. I did use some powdered ginger. You can get that at any local shop or supermarket. But the beauty with the loaf, you can serve with custard or some white vanilla sauce. It's up to you, whatever you like to share it with. Remember, you can get a copy of Chef Ricardo Cooking book online, Amazon, and other bookstore. Thank you so much, guys, for your support and for your time watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Well, today we're going to make you a nice, lovely ginger loaf. Well, you might have said that chef in an easy hours I come with some idea, man. But anyway, it's a brilliant idea and I'm gonna share with you today. First of all, we're gonna need some ingredients. And the first ingredient is 4 eggs. As you can see, straight inside of the bowl. Simply use a whisk. Give it a 2-minute whisk. Next thing what we're gonna need also some sugar. 6 ounces of sugar. Lovely and nice. That's granulated sugar. That's 6 ounces. Basically we're gonna get some butter, room temperature, which is gonna be 6 ounces of unsalted butter. Lovely and nice. That's the butter right there. And also we're gonna need some self-rising flour. It's a must. 6 ounces. Nice one, straight inside of it. This is the easiest recipe, guys, and you can do this at home. Alright. Next thing, baking powder. Half teaspoon of baking powder. And also that's half teaspoon of ginger. So normally I use 1 teaspoon of ginger, that's another half. So basically I want to simply say to you guys, all of the ingredients together, mix it up, and we're gonna pour it in a loaf sheet. Alright? Use a wooden spoon first. And in the meantime, preheat your oven, guys. It's very important. That smells really nice. This is an easy recipe. And the most important thing, make everything room temperature. Can't go wrong. Six flour, 6 sugar, 4 egg, and also baking powder, a little bit, and a teaspoon of grounded ginger. You can get the ginger powder at any local shop or supermarket to buy. That's the thing. So that's what you're looking for. So when you turn on your oven, gas mark 4 or 5 is good for it for 25 minutes. Lovely. So this is finished. Look at it, guys. Beautiful. I want you guys to see exactly what I'm doing. So as you can see, really creamy, looking lovely and nice. Look at that. Alright? And that's what you're looking for. Beautiful, really nice. So that's finished. Put that aside. Next thing. This is the Loaf tray right here. As you can see, this is a perfect Loaf tray for baking. So what I did is just rub a little bit of grease inside of it. Put a piece of a grease-proof paper and cut around the top of it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply scrape that lovely mixture inside of it. Now we should just mix it up, just like this. Lovely and nice. This is a very easy, simple recipe. Anyone can do this at home. Ginger loaf is beautiful and nice recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, as you can see. Nice one. So basically, we're gonna put this inside of the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Gas mark 5 or 4 the least. If you're using a different kind of oven, 165 is good for 25 minutes, guys. So as you can see, ginger loaf recipe from Chef Ricardo. Enjoy the recipe. Nice and lovely. I just take it from the oven, guys, and look at that. Beautiful and nice. But look at this now. If I put this at the side and take it out like this, look at that. That is fantastic, and that's exactly what we're all about. The last time someone said, Chef Ricardo, why you didn't test the cake if it cooked? I'll show you something. You see? Cook, done and dusted. You see? Very easy and simple recipe. It's just a simple recipe. Alright, let's cut the cake then, making the guys see. Yes, so look at this. Let's cut the cake, make the guys can see. Alright? This is how Chef Ricardo does cake. Alright? I want you guys to see exactly what I'm all about with. Look at that lovely, 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 lovely cake, guys. That's exactly. So as you can see right here, this would be nice to go with some custard, guys. Beautiful recipe. Really nice and fantastic. So I make sure I cut the cake, make you guys can see that if I give you a recipe and I don't cut it, the recipe is perfect. Alright? And this is ginger loaf sponge cake from Chef Ricardo. Ginger loaf. Look at that. The cake is so perfect. Look at that. Look at the bottom of the cake. Beautiful, light, and really, really nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments and tell someone about the ginger loaf. Enjoy. See you next time. Bye bye.